Michael Lobo.
I'm talking about only illegally overstaying foreigners. नाल्या कोणे तरी फाल्यां रिपोर्ट करचे न्ही की फॉरेनर्सांक डिटेंशन सेंटरान घालता. Those who are overstaying, they will be deported via detention center. आता डिपोर्ट करी जाल्यार ते वचना परते ना जातात खंय तरी. They have to be sort of confined to that detention center and then deported from there.
Michael.
Speaker sir, Honorable Home Minister is already aware that a lot of foreigners who are coming to Goa, especially they are coming to India and they are taking, they are coming on a student visa. Yeah. Kalangut constituency, Saligaon constituency, they are coming and staying over there. Speaker sir, my caution over here, whether this student visa is genuine or fraud, or whether it is stamped somewhere in other parts of India, whether police is really verifying whether that student has taken a admission within India or they are just staying in Goa for 6 months or within Goa. कित्याक हे गोंयांत रावता आनी when they are arrested they show one student card, ID card. Actually they are involved in drug business over here. Speaker sir, everybody is aware, but everybody is closing their eyes.
प्रश्न कितें? Student.
No, my student visa जे येता ते genuine हा visa, or whether the student is a genuine student who is studying in Goa or India. Whether government has done any study on that.
Speaker sir, दोन गजाली आहा. एक गोष्ट ती म्हणजे सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट जेन्ना ते इंडियन एंट्री करता, नॉट नेसेसरी गोवा, कॅप्चर्स देर डिटेल नाव म्हणून तो सेंट्रलायज केला सगळो एक्सरसायज. तर ते कॅप्चर करता पळय डिटेल, ते डिटेलाच्या आधाराचेर आमी लोकल पुलिसीक तो डेटा दिवपाक शकता. ती वेवस्था आतली येता. म्हणजे देर इज अ चेंज इन द ओल्ड हे म्हणजे खूब जाणांक पोरू एखादें हांवें स्टेटमेंट केला सो सिच्युएशन वॉज डिफरंट. द laws and procedures have changed in between. So now central government centralized केला सगळें आनी तांचो data capture करता at the time of entry. That captured data is available to the local police. ताजो वापर करून we will track these people down. As far as student visa is concerned, we have told through Director Higher Education all educational institute to take specific permission for giving admission to such students. अनलकीली ते अनेक जाग्यार वता ते कोर्सांक रेकॉग्निशनूय नासतात आनी नावाक आसता ते, पण थंय आमी टायटनिंग करपाक सुरू केला. वी हॅव स्टार्टेड taking
police
action.
is not acting. Speaker sir, police is not acting. Whenever there is a complaint from the general public that so and so foreign nationals, especially Nigerians who are staying within Parra or other village.
Speaker sir, हांव एक गजाल सांगूं सोदतां. आजकाल लोकांक जनरल कंप्लेन म्हणजे प्रेसान प्रेस नोट दिवप व जनरल कंप्लेन.
No, not press note. They are giving telephonic complaints to the police department, and police is showing helplessness to map these people, or check their visa or check their passport.
आमदारान बरोवन धाडचे, हांव ताका 15 दिसां भितर रिपोर्ट दिता कितें एक्शन घेतलें. आजकाल संवय अशी आल्या की पेपराचेर बातमी आयली म्हणजे जनरल कंप्लेन. तशें म्हणजे सगळ्याच जनरलाचेर हांव एक जालो.
Specific complaints are given, Speaker sir. Even village panchayats are giving in writing complaints to the police station.
म्हाका दी म्हणलें न्हय.
So far action has not been taken.
नाही हांव आयकता. Complaint should be specific.
Specific
if you are asking me
Speaker sir, specific complaint dila.
राव मरे. If you ask me specific case, I will reply you specific. जनरल कंप्लेनीचेर म्हजो रिस्पॉन्स आसा की वी जनरली टेक एक्शन.
स्पीकर सर, जे फॉरेनर्स आसा हे ओव्हरस्टे रावता ताचेर आमी उलयतात. ओव्हरस्टे रावन आमी लास्ट टायमूय झगडटाले की ओव्हरस्टे रावन एक स्मगलिंग ड्रग्स सप्लाय करता म्हणून. हे ओव्हरस्टे जे रावतात तांकां जे कलांगूटच्या गांवांत आसा म्हणून पयलें कन्फर्म जाल्लें, तर हांकां काडपाक आमी कितें केलां? कलांगूटचो पर आयले ते हांव नको.
तो ही इज व्हेरी कॉशियस. ही सेज कळंगूटच्या गांवांत रावणारेच. म्हणजे ही वॉन्ट्स मी टू रिप्लाय अबाउट फॉरेनर्स हू आर स्टेइंग इन कलंगूट ओनली. कोण तूं कळंगूट रावना मरे. स्पीकर सर, म्हाका दिसता हांवें नजोरच्यान तें सांगलें. म्हाका स्पेसिफीक जर तूं तक्रारी येत स्पेसिफीक म्हणजे नांव घालूंक जाय अशी न्हय पण अमक्या एरियेन आसा जाल्यार हांव स्पेसिफीक ताजेर हें करता म्हणजे कितें म्हणटा तें एक्शन घेता जनरल कंप्लेनीक जनरलूच उत्तर दिवचें पडटलें न्हय ताका स्पेसिफीक उत्तर कशें दितलो त्यामुळे म्हाका स्पेसिफीक ताणें बरोवचें अमक्या जाग्यार रावता अमक्या खरें म्हणजे तांच्यांनी एक हें घेतलां रिजोल्युशन घेतलां की ओवर स्टेईंग फॉरेनरांक रावंक दिवचें न्ही म्हणून गांवाच्या लोकांनी बरा केला मरे
Michael Bab, bus. No, this is not discussion. This is not discussion, Michael Bab. फुडलो प्रश्न
स्पीकर सर हांगा पुलीस एन्सर करना होम मिनिस्टर एन्सर करता
फुडलो प्रश्न प्रश्न क्रमांक 4
अरे म्हाका दी मरे लेटर
मायकल बाब
स्पीकर सर ताका हांव परत परत सांगता पुलिशीक दिला ताणें पुलिशीक प्रश्न विचारचो म्हाका तो विचारता प्रश्न हांवें जाल्यार म्हाका कॉपी दी लेटराची हांव एक्शन घेता
Question 4B.
4B.
Answer as per computer sheet tabled on the floor.
Speaker, sir, I would like to ask the PWD Minister that apart from the mentioned areas, which is in my question A, are there any other areas which are included? Which ones are they? And what is the estimate?
Sawati Mashe, the work of the sewerage system in Talegaon has been started somewhere in 2010-2011 with the estimation of around 100 crores. Being anything in sewerage which costs very heavily, that is what we always say. आणि हे घेता आसतना पयलीं certain areas घेतिल्ल्यो आणि ह्यो areas घेता आसतनाच दुसरे estimate आमी चालू केले एक टेंडर आशिल्लें जें टेंडर कोणूच घेना आशिल्लें तें टेंडर पयरूच आमी फ्लोट केलां आनी ताजी वर्क ऑर्डर हालींच दिवपाची आसा नंबर 2 ज्यो एरिया तांणी मागल्या त्यो एरियेचो ओवरऑल सगळो एस्टिमेट जर करत परत ते सादारण 30 ते 35 कोटी पर्यंत वचूं शकता अजून ताजें एस्टिमेट जावना पूण अनलेस प्रेझेंट वर्क प्रोग्रेस आसा ते कंप्लीट जाले शिवाय आमी फुडले एस्टिमेट घेवप बरोबर न्हय कारण एक गजाल म्हणजे टोटल तालिगांव सद्या जर वचत जाल्यार थंय रस्तोच ना हाजें कारण 2 आसा तालिगांव अशे तरेन आसा एक वयलो फ्लोर जो आसा तो दोनापावल एरिया वीच इज ऑन हिलॉक आनी तालिगांव ही जी एरिया आसा इट इज नियर टू वॉटर म्हणजे साधारण 1 ते 2 मिटर जर खणलें जाल्यार यू वील गेट लॉट ऑफ सॅच्युरेटेड सॉयल अलॉंग वीथ वॉटर आनी ह्या दिसाचो असो प्रॉब्लेम जाला की उदक फ्लो जाता प्रत्येक कडेन आनी बिईंग अ सँडी आनी त्याच प्रमाणे सॅच्युरेटेड जवळ जवळ 3.5 मिटर पर्यंत आमकां खणचें पडलें सो गव्हर्मेंट इज थिंकींग 2 थिंग्स very important whether we should go with open trenches or we should go with latest technology without opening the trenches. Without opening the trenches the rates will be very high almost say about 30 to 40% more than open trenches आणि हे सगळे कंप्लीट केल्या शिवाय दुसऱ्या हाका हात घालप हे बरोबर नाही कारण हे सगळे कंप्लीट येता त्या डिसेंबर पर्यंत आमी म्हणजे इन्क्लुडिंग रोड work, we decided to complete everything.
Now you've given me a very, very long answer. Could you just tell me in how many years will this project be completed? Will it be completed in your terms?
Speaker sir, I told that whatever works going on in hand, which are tender in 2011-2012, will be completed by December of this year, and the remaining work, now other thing is there, after completion of the plant, we have to join each and every house connections, which is also difficult, it takes time. Nobody will come to take the connections because you have to charge, so we have to either float a free connections system, what we have done in Fatorda Margaon. The way, after doing that, then only we will be able to tell that at what rate we will be completing the next project.
Speaker, sir, there is no way that this work will be completed by the end of December. Another thing I want to ask you is, are you aware of the problems faced by the people in Talegaon in regards to the roads because of the sewerage work? I would like to ask you, why has this been neglected and why has this not been done? In some places in Talegaon, Speaker, sir, there are no roads, to be very honest. And this has been going on for 2 years. So what action are you going to take?
Because sir, the contract जो आसा तो complete आसा. तातूंत excavation in trenches, filling of excavation in trenches, laying of pipeline along with the supply of pipeline. And after all doing this, the contractor has to tar the road. Now in case of Dona Paul, wherever there are excavations and the work completed, the contractor has tarred the road. But being height of the deep, and especially the trenches is 3.5 meter and above, it is very difficult for a contractor to put the earth in the trench and redo everything with heavy vibrations. आणि जेन्ना हो पावस पडटा तेन्ना ती जी माती आसा तुमचो रेबोट म्हणटा आमी आमच्या हातूंत तें रेबोट म्हणटा रेबो जेन्ना बसता तेन्ना तें सकयल वचत रावता आणि त्या खातीरूच प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर वी हॅव टेकन and we will see that immediately after the rainy season your all trenches will be repaired by asphalting required.
Some of these roads or some of the sewerage line has been completed last year. So last year when I asked the engineers, they said they had to wait for one rain. So one rain is over. Now this is the second rain. So what are you going to do about that?
Because आम्ही सांगला पयलींच रेबो जो आसता तो बसपाक त्रास जाता. कितलेय व्हायब्रेशन्स मशीन सुद्दां जर यूज केली आसात इट इज रियली डिफिकल्ट आणि ती एरिया जितली आसा की इट इज नॉट मोर दॅन 2 मीटर. फूल जर 7 मिटराचो जो रोड आसत जाल्यार ताका व्हायब्रेशन हेवी व्हायब्रेशन्स दिवं येता.
स्पीकर सर, ऑनरेबल मेंबर जे सांगता तें बरोबर आसा. हांव स्वता त्या रस्त्याचेर वता. देर इज अ टोटल निग्लेक्ट बाय दोज इंजिनियर्स. हांव स्वता त्या रस्त्याचेर ट्रॅवल करता. आतां फक्त हांव तिणें काडलो म्हणून हांव स्वता वतले मागीर लोक कितें म्हणटात की तूं यूज करता त्या रस्त्याक अशें जाता. देर इज अ निग्लेक्ट. I will personally monitor it.
Shri Banserath.
Yes, sir. Now, I am not sure what the minister actually, whether this ministry is working properly or not working properly. I request, first and foremost, before I put a question, I request the Chief Minister to reshuffle the portfolio and give him art and culture, because I think he is he is more interested in culture than in this PWD department. Now my question.
The member cannot be answered in the House because that is a prerogative of the Chief Minister. But I said that I had not raised the issue, nor I had complained. Otherwise, in any other case, I would have complained. Because I travel on that road, I had not complained. Because my लोक कितें म्हणटा की तुका थंय गडगडाट करचें पडटा म्हणून तुवें कंप्लेन केली म्हणून. Now since the member has raised the issue, I agree with her feelings because that is the same feeling which I have every day. सकाळ सान त्या रस्त्याचेर 2 वर्सां जालीं आमी गडा करून वता.
आर्ट एंड कल्चर दितूं त्या कल्चरल हें चड हें
I will not comment on that, but I will personally look into the matter.
Okay, Speaker sir, will the government tell me that the laying of the sewage was completed more than a year? If so, why the work of the road is not taken up? Whether the engineers in charge of the area has been monitoring, and why reinstatement of this roads were not taken up?
I told very perfect. So contract आमी sign करता त्या contractoran तो road repair करपाचो आसता आणि because of deep जो आसा it is 3.5 meter deep. खंयचोय रस्तो इतले सकयल जेन्ना खड्डा ताका भितर वचपाक सुद्दां हें ना, वाट ना. प्रॅक्टिकल थिंग्स वेगळे आसा. मुख्यमंत्र्यान जरी सांगलें ही वील टेक, डेफिनेटली वील टेक, पण परिस्थिती तशी आसा कारण तशी मशिनरी इज नॉट अवेलेबल. एक कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट जो आशिल्लो तो हांव आसतना काडूना. हांव आसतनाय ते काडून नाशिल्लें. पयलीं जर ट्रेंचलेस टॅक्नॉलॉजी वापरली जाल्यार हो प्रश्न येनाशिल्लो. ट्रेंचलेस टॅक्नॉलॉजी थंय वापरपाक जाय आशिल्ली.
Now you all have the setup no of your engineers. You have junior.
सवाती मातशें हें काम पयलीं काडिल्लें 2010. हांवें स्पेसिफिकली म्हटलां 2010-2011 काडिल्लें. ट्रेंचलेस टॅक्नॉलॉजी ह्या हातूंत यूज करपाक जाय आशिल्ली, which is not done.
Who had to do that?
Who is responsible for
No,
this?
who is responsible? Am I responsible?
यार हो रे इशू
Am I
करपाक जाय
responsible?
हांगा
I'm
येवन
asking
कितें
you.
उलोवपाचें न्हय
I